wish to move that the bill further to amend the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act 1961 as passed by the Rajya Sabha be taken into consideration.
आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I was elaborating on the point that many cooperative banks depositors have gone through very difficult times, and as a result you find that many of them which are under stress, which the Reserve Bank has put under stress, even if they have not been under moratorium, are unable to find a resolution. The deposit holders are suffering, senior citizens are affected by it, and it is, again, for the record, I would like to say, in 2019 it was under Prime Minister Modi that we have increased the amount to 1 lakh. Now we realize that in spite of having increased it to 1 lakh, the resolution is getting postponed, and as a result of which, till such a time the resolution happens, many of the depositors are not getting more than the emergency money for their medical treatment and so on. So in spite of having raised it to 1 lakh and now to 5 lakhs, we want to make sure that within 90 days depositors get the money, so that small depositors who make up for 98% of all depositors will get the money in time, that is 90 days. And this may bring in great relief to all those banks, cooperative banks, small cooperative banks which come under stress. But the more important point I want to highlight here, sir, this will be effective from now, but however, those cooperative banks like the Rupee Cooperative, like the PMC Bank, like the Guru Raghavendra Bank, those which have already come under stress but which are not under moratorium, which may have administrators sitting and sorting the business out, even their depositors will benefit. Even their depositors will get the 5 lakh and they will get it within 90 days. Now I want to just request the honorable members to please participate in this very important discussion. I remember Member Supriya Sule talking to me about it a number of times. I remember very many NCP leaders talking to me about PMC. I remember very many members of parliament from Karnataka speaking to me about Guru Raghavendra. So this is a bill which is being brought in to benefit small depositors in cooperative banks. So I honestly appeal to all the members from all the parties to understand the importance of such a bill, which is being passed in the welfare, keeping the welfare of the small depositors in mind, to agree and to generously, unanimously pass this bill today. Thank you very much, sir.
प्रश्न यह है कि विधेयक पर विचार किया जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य इसके विरोध में वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। विधेयक पर विचार करने हेतु प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया गया। अब सभा विधेयक पर खंडवार विचार करेगी। प्रश्न यह है कि खंड 2 से 7 विधेयक का अंग बने। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य इसके विरोध में वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। खंड 2 से 7 विधेयक का अंग बने। प्रश्न है कि खंड 1 अधिनियम सूत्र और विधेयक का पूरा नाम विधेयक का अंग बने। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य इसके विरोध में वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। खंड 1 अधिनियम सूत्र और विधेयक का पूरा नाम विधेयक का अंग बने। मंत्री जी अब यह प्रस्ताव करें कि राज्यसभा द्वारा यथा पारित विधेयक को पारित किया जाए।
Sir, I rise to move that the bill as passed by the Rajya Sabha be passed.